Hello friends, I'm Noor. Welcome to Noor Rakhi Kids Fun Zone. Today I'm here to do a magic. Abracadabra. Gilly 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 gilly. Choo. Time passed. I don't know what's the time because there's no clock. But time is past. See, so many gifts are here now. So let's start opening with this butterfly gift. Oh my gosh. This is a long gift, but it's small. Chalo, let's open it. It's with mini butterflies. I love butterflies. So let's open it. This side. It can't open. Ooh. It's with a white box. What's inside? So long. Oh. Okay, here's that. Oh. Here's also. Let's open this box now. White box. What it is going to be inside. There's one more tape at the side. Let's break that tape. Oh. That is only. The box is stirred, but the tape is not. Ooh. See this? Yep, I opened it. Just open it like this now. Oh, there's something in. Oh, one more frame of Noor. So many pictures. One with Asi. One me, one again me, one again me, and Noor with pink color. I can open it. See, it's not a frame to hang on the walls, but it's a stand. See, at the back side. And I love this. So much big. Thank you that gave me this one, but I don't know because there was no name. Okay, very nice. I love all the pictures on it. So let's keep it on a side and let's open the second gift. Which one? There are four gifts now. So let's open without any wrap. What's inside that? Straws. Let's open that and see which with colors, which with shape. Oh, that's for a watermelon juice. See? Or making ice creams and eat like this. Nom nom. All are like that only. This is from green orange. We can change the colors also. It can go up. See, it's attached. We take it out and see. We can change the colors from the straws. Let's put it in. Oh, okay. This is green orange. Strawberry, my favorite. That's papaya. No, not papaya. What was it? I don't know. I forgot. Now we have 3 gifts. See? 2 over there and 1 golden one. So big. So I have to see first pink. My sister gave it. That I know because she gave it in my hands. Okay, there are 2 gifts. See. Let's see in the smaller one. Hey, what's tape stuck in my hand? Take it out. Oh, here also. So many tapes. Ooh. Oh. So much. Okay, that's nice now. I can't open it. It's like of steel. What's it? These are all my Rakhi gifts, but I don't know what's inside, huh? So 2 gifts are open, so I know what's inside. But not these 3. No, now there are 4. This, and that. Yes, there are 4 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Too stretchable. This is the wrong part to tape. I can't open it. That's a strong tape. Okay, I'll open it. Let's open it again. That's the geometry box of Elsa and Anna. Let's see from inside. Oh, too much tape. Outside also tape, inside also tape, tapes and tapes and tapes. That's why I was saying it's looking like of steel. Elsa, Anna, Olaf, so many. Oh, what's this all? Oh, we don't need to cheat from here. This is multiplication sums. There's one side only, है ना? There's Elsa and Olaf over here. This is the whole family over here. Love it. So let's open the second. It sounds like, I don't know, but it sounds like any cardboard box this time. Or steel box, I don't know. I can't open it. Fair. Again, tape. Tapes are tapes and so many tapes. Whew. Oh, something nice. I can see it. But I can't open it more. There are tapes and tapes and tapes again. Let's open from the tapes only now. Wow! This is paper quilling jewelry. Making jewelry from paper. Wow. I want to see it. I want to open it. Wow. So pretty. But I can't open this on. Let's open. But not more. So let's keep it over here only. This paper is tucked. Chalo. What's in this? It sounds very nice. I don't know what's inside. But we can open it and see. Oh! My cousin will also write. Oh yes. Oh yes. My cousin will also write. He said, then this is from this. I don't know what is from because there was no name again. But I know. See, it's of Elsa and Anna. We touched it and see that was of Elsa and Anna, and we were right. My cousin, means my sister and me. Let's open this bag. What's inside? Oh, Elsa and Anna diary. Wow, Elsa and a book. Notebook. That's notebook with lines. I thought it's stickers. Nope. But that's really nice still. Too nice. I love Elsa and Anna. Oh, there's something else also. At the corner, but Elsa and Anna eraser, Elsa and a pencil, and a blue sharpener. Wow, Elsa and Anna is great. Oh, is that a scale? Yes, that was a scale of Elsa and Anna. Wow, so many things. We were right. We were right. That is a puzzle of Elsa and Anna. See, up to 6 years, but I'm of 8 years, so I can use this Elsa and Anna puzzle. I love Elsa and Anna puzzle, and Elsa and Anna that kit also. Wow, fantastic! So it's the turn of the giant gift. Oh, there are also 2. See. Okay, so it means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 gifts. Oh, they're taped. Oh, now so long tape on my hand. It's stuck. Let's open the little one first. Okay. Let's open this one. I can't open it. See, there are so many tapes, but I can't open it. This side, see. Okay. Hey. Wow! This is not nice. This is fun foil sticker fun foil art. Wow. Oi. See this. So many things. Wow. There are glitters also inside that. We will rub, peel, rub, reveal. Wow. This is going to be fantastic. Over 170 stickers and 55 sheets of foil. Wow, I love it. So that's the turn of the last gift and the giant gift. Oh, so heavy. Let's open it. Hey, but there's, okay. This is a hole at the side. Not a hole means tape. So heavy. And so sticky. Ooh. Ooh. not from me. It's from my mom. See, but it's okay. Something should be from adults also. It's Rakhi Gifts. Let's put it aside on it. But it's okay. It's adults. So everything is very sticky. Chalo. Bye everyone. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. And happy belated Rakhi.